Today we're going to go through some mocktail recipes. All of these recipes you'll be able to make at home. If you are out and about and you're wanting to try something without any alcohol in, speak to your bartenders and they'll be able to go through different mocktail recipes with you. So our first cocktail we're going to make is very much berry based. Strawberries, raspberries, you've got a bit of grenadine that you can buy in the shops, you can buy in Mazda, Tesco's, sugar syrup, cranberry juice, bit of lemonade, nice and simple to make at home. So we're going to start off by pouring slightly pre-made, so it's lime juice. I've squeezed it beforehand, so it's literally about 25 ml. You won't have one of these at home, which is a measure. You can use shot glasses, plastic shot glasses, but pour straight into the cup if you feel comfortable doing so. And then I'm going to put some raspberries in, so probably 5 or 6 raspberries depending on how big they are. Give them a bit of a muddle. You can use a small rolling pin at home, but all the nightclubs will have these. And then I'm going to add a slight bit of sugar syrup. So sugar syrup, we have them in bars, but if you're at home, all you need to do is boiling water, 50% boiling water, 50% sugar. So 500 ml of sugar, 500 ml of boiling water. Give it a stir until all the sugar's evaporated. Nice and simple. So again, about 25 ml. If you're not able to measure it, not a problem. Just guess. It will still taste nice. If you want it sweeter, add more. If you want it sour, add less. Nice and simple. So now, nice and easy, I'm going to add in my cranberry juice. So with the cranberry juice, not really needed to be measured, just enough so you're able to fill your glass. Obviously you can see I've got some crushed ice here in my glass. You can use cubed ice, you can have it without ice depending on how you want it served. So in clubs we would use this strawberry syrup as well to give it a bit more extra flavour. You can use this, or nice and simple, mash up some strawberries at the beginning. So I am going to use this today, but if you haven't got the strawberry syrup available, you can buy it in shops, but just mash up some strawberries with the raspberries at the beginning. So again, not too much, 1 shot worth, 25 ml. And then I'm going to add some ice with my shaker. If you don't have a shaker available, which most people won't at home, nice and easy, just add it to a glass, add some ice, give it a good stir. But shaking is how you'll find it done in nightclubs. I'm going to strain this cocktail off. There will be little bits from the raspberries, absolutely fine. Just add into the flavour all the way to the top. Add a straw. Slight bit of crushed ice on top. This is how you'll find it in the clubs because they like to make the cocktails look pretty. And then I'm going to place a raspberry on top and add it straight in front of you.